So I'd like to show you guys how to detect clipping on your subwoofers with using your oscilloscope. Right here I have the AT900.1. I've got a kind of messed up scenario here to power it, but it should be fine. So right now I have a test tone of 40 Hertz. That is what this is supposed to be tuned at. And I will show you on the oscilloscope right here. So I'll show you on this oscilloscope. I'm going to turn the radio up, and we will begin to see the bottom edge of the sine wave here. So you can see that is clipping right there. I'll turn the gain down on the amplifier. For this test, we're going to use the gain from the amplifier to basically see our clipping. We're running at 13.6 volts is what we're reading on here right now. And right now we have 21 volts on the output of the speakers. This is reading the output. This is, for all intents and purposes, this is the rail voltage. This is our sine wave. This is our input voltage, 13.7 volts. As we go up with the gain, that will drop. So you can see on our oscilloscope right here, we're right on the edge of clipping. If I take my gain any farther, you'll see it start to mess up, and then you'll see it to straight on clip. That's a clip. That's a very hard clip. You can hear it. You hear the woofers? No clipping. Clipping. No clipping. Clipping. This is a 40 Hertz test tone. If we take this amplifier right to the edge of clipping, right there, so we'll back it off a tiny bit. We are at 32.8 volts on the output with a pretty low input voltage. So this amplifier can produce somewhere around 35, upwards of 40 volts, maybe 38 volts is what this will produce with good input voltage. As long as you don't clip your woofers, you should be able to sit there and hammer them like this pretty well as long as you want to. You start clipping that input signal, it only takes a matter of minutes and they will go away. Nice, clean sine wave. I'll turn it up one more time so you can watch the entire sine wave clip. Right there across the board. Right there. Stay away from clipping, guys. Be safe. Enjoy your equipment.